In this video I will explain how you find friend requests sent and how to cancel them. So make sure you watch this video to the end. The first step, go to your profile menu. Then, scroll down and click on the Find Friends button. If you don't find the request button, then try refreshing this page. Then click on the request button. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select View Sent Requests. As you can see, I have several friend requests that I have sent. If you want to cancel it, just click the Cancel button. Hope this video can help you. Don't forget to watch my next video. If this tutorial didn't work for you, please write in the comments your problem. I will try my best to help you. And I would really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button.